Good morning, children. Welcome to the Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss the assignment key of Cell, the basic unit of life. 8th standard lesson. This assignment is for 10 marks. There are 6 choose the correct answers and 2 short answer questions. Each choose the correct answers carry 1 mark, that means 6 ones are 6, and each short answer question carries 2 marks, 2 twos are 4, totally 10 marks. Let us see what is the first choose the correct answer and its key. Before collecting cheek cells, dash is cleaned. Mouth is cleaned. Okay, because cheek cells we are taking out now, that's why mouth should be cleaned. Correct option is B. B for mouth. Mouth is cleaned. Second question. To scrap the cheek cells, dash are used. Option D is correct answer. That means wooden spoon or plastic spoon. D. Wooden spoon or plastic spoon. Wooden spoon or plastic spoon should be used to scrap the cheek cells. Now let us see the third question. To collect the cheek cells, scrap the dash surface of your cheek. Inner surface should be scrapped. Okay, so correct option is A. A for inner. So to collect the cheek cells, scrap the dash surface, inner surface. Okay, right. Fourth question. The scrapping should be placed in a drop of dash taken on a slide. What is that? Correct answer is B. B for water. So scrapped material should be placed on a water present on the slide. Okay, right. Now fifth question. Cover the slide with a dash. Correct option is D. D for cover slip. Okay, cover slip. So cover the material. Suppose here it is a slide. Here we place cheek cells. Cheek cells are covered with a cover slip. Slowly we have to cover it, right? Now sixth question. Dash the figure of what you have observed under microscope. Correct option is B. B for draw. We have to draw the figure what you have observed under microscope. What you can see through microscope, that one you have to draw on the notebook. So this is the correct key for choose the correct answers. Now it is time for discussion of short answer questions. Seventh question. What care should we take while scrapping the cheek cells? Here 3 points are there as an answer. So first point is, while scrapping the cheek cells, we should keep 2 things in mind. What is that? Firstly, wash the spoon thoroughly before using it. We have to wash the spoon thoroughly before using it. Otherwise, the spoon may be contaminated with germs, and that spoon when we keep inside, it may cause some infections. That's why wash the spoon thoroughly before using it. And secondly, do not scrap too hard or else you would hurt yourself. If you scrap inner surface too hard, it may bleed. So bleeding may take place. That's why do not. Secondly, what is the third point? Secondly, do not scrap too hard or else you would hurt yourself. Okay, right. So first point is first point is 2 things. So 2 things we should keep in the mind. 2 things we should keep in the mind. What are those? Firstly, wash the spoon. Wash. Wash the spoon thoroughly. Wash the spoon thoroughly. And secondly, do not scrap too hard. Okay. Secondly, what is the point? Do not scrap. Do not scrap. Do not scrap too hard. Too hard, or else you would hurt yourself. Now let us see what is last question, 8th question. Draw a neat diagram of cheek cells. Now I will show you how to draw cheek cells. It is very easy, my dear children. See, drawing of cheek cells. You can see this kind of structures. When you observe under the microscope, we can see this kind of cells. Okay, a prominent nucleus visible. A prominent nucleus is visible. Cytoplasm also visible. Cytoplasm also visible. This is the structure we can observe in the cheek cells. Okay, so this is easy diagram, my dear children. So this is the key for today's assignment. God bless you. Thank you.